Hey everyone, welcome back to Tool Talk Pro. Rust, the ultimate enemy of any toolbox. It sneaks in, spreads quietly, and before you know it, your favorite tool's looking like it came from a pirate ship.
And no, we're not making a rustic aesthetic here. We're talking about real damage that ruins performance. So today, we're giving you the essential tips to keep your tools rust-free and in top shape.
Rust forms when iron or steel reacts with oxygen and moisture. That's why your tools rust faster in humid or wet environments, especially if left unprotected.
Think of rust as nature's way of saying, you should have taken better care of me.
First rule of Anti-Rust Club: never store dirty tools. Dirt, grime, and moisture are rust's best friends.
Wipe them down with a clean cloth after every use. If there's grease or moisture, use a degreaser or a bit of rubbing alcohol. Dry completely. Not kinda dry, completely dry.
Use a light machine oil or WD-40 to coat metal parts, especially pliers, wrenches, or screwdrivers. A thin layer of oil acts like a shield that blocks out moisture.
Just don't go overboard. We're protecting the tools, not deep frying them.
Location matters. Avoid storing tools in damp basements or open-air garages.
Use a dry toolbox, or better yet, a toolbox with silica gel packs or moisture absorbers. You can even toss in a small bag of rice. Tools won't complain.
Tools like chisels or saw blades can benefit from protective wraps or blade guards. This keeps them from rubbing together and prevents rust from forming in tight spots.
If your workshop feels like a sauna, invest in a dehumidifier. Or at the very least, keep it well ventilated.
You don't need fancy tech. Even just opening a window can help control humidity. If you spot rust starting to form, clean it off with steel wool, sandpaper, or a rust eraser.
The earlier you treat it, the less damage it does. It's like catching a cold early, but for your wrench.
There are sprays and coatings out there that are made specifically to prevent corrosion. Perfect if you live in coastal or rainy areas.
So that's how you keep your tools rust-free, sharp, and ready to work whenever you are.
Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way, and your tools will thank you. Quietly, of course.
If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite tool-saving tip in the comments.
Thanks for watching Tool Talk Pro, and keep your tools shining.